Hello everyone, this is Sean, your roof guy. We are here in beautiful downtown Debary, Florida. We're going to look at a roof here, do an inspection, give a homeowner an idea of what we're looking at here, provide an estimate for. A pretty good size roof, it's about 35, 36 squares. A couple things I do on my roof inspections is the first thing you want to do is kind of evaluate it from the ground. Hard to see some things. First thing we see is, I don't know if you can see from this picture, but you see the fiberglass outline of the shingles just shows a lot of wear. I imagine this roof is every bit of 20 years old. Or insurance company doesn't want to indemnify the roof any longer. Got a big problem right here where the split boot would go, where the power pole goes through. I don't like the fact the power pole is leaning, but we can still work around that. Sometimes code will not pass it with that kind of a problem, but if you look a little further up to the gooseneck there, probably where the kitchen vent is, there's a problem there as well. See a little bit of plywood damage here. We're going to kind of just take a brief peek in the backyard here. Take a look what we got back here. All right, let's take a look at this thing from the roof level. Like I said, we're on a 6-pitch, a lot of granulation. First thing we do is put our cougar paws on. They make a shoe that's designed for gripping. Normally a 6-pitch is easily walkable roof. But like I said, when you see this kind of wear, it's a good idea to put some safe shoes on. Look at this roof, it's just an old, worn out roof. Looks like it served its purpose fine for 20 years and now needs to be replaced. See a big kind of indentation here. Not real sure what that is, but we're not going to walk on it by any means, but just indicates we've probably got a problem there. We'll need some plywood. Same thing in the back, we see some low areas. Anyway, we're going to provide a good estimate for this young lady, take her things, and try to get some stuff going on in Debary here. This is Sean Bennett with XLR8 Roofing. You guys be kind to each other.